You want me to make a roast? You want me to make a roast? What do you think? You want the house to smell good? Alright guys, it's Sunday morning. I'm going to make myself a little roast. Yeah, I got a roasting pan. I'm going to do a little roast. Put the stuff in there and give it the old bakeroo. Should all fit in there. I'm thinking. I got this nice chuck roast, 5 pounds. I got a couple of tenderloins. Oh, you gotta love a couple of tenderloins. And I got a couple of things of chorizo here, which is kind of like a Portuguese sausage prep that's already cooked. So we're gonna throw all that in the pan. Then what else we got is we got some beef stock. I got some of these little potatoes there, 5 pounds of potatoes. I'll throw in whatever I want that fits in there. And we got some squash and zucchini. That's all pre-cut. Gonna go in. Baby carrots. I'll get these all prepped. I got some onions here. Kind of clean them up and throw them in there. We got some baby bella mushrooms. And I got a green pepper here that was in the refrigerator, red pepper, some celery, cauliflower and broccoli that was in the refrigerator I want to use up, and I got garlic and hot peppers. So we'll get it all prepped up. We'll get it all in the pot here and give it the old how you doing. In the pot here and give it the old how you doing, Mama. Steve is cooking again, y'all. Steve is cooking again. Alright, so I got it all prepped here. Carrots, mushrooms, some of squash, zucchini, red peppers, green peppers, a bunch of onions, broccoli and cauliflower, a little bit I had in the refrigerator. Bunch of celery here. I'm gonna have this garlic and hot peppers kick it up. So we'll try to set you up. We'll see if it all fits in this pan. It should. If not, I got a bigger pan. It should fit in there. I'm thinking. And let it red potato chip. Nice piece of meat. Yeehaw! I'll put the tenderloins in there. Nothing like a couple of tenderloins. I don't know, I think I'm going to need a bigger pan. I have a bigger pan. Let me get a bigger pan. I need a bigger pan for this thing. When in doubt, get the big guns out. Yeehaw! Alright, next I guess I'll put the onions in there. Carrots. mushrooms. Green peppers, red peppers. Couple of cans of beef stock. Put a couple of cans of beer in there. Yeehaw! Salt and pepper. And we'll let it rock and roll, mama. We'll cover it up and we'll let it rock and roll. Set it for 350. We'll let it go, mama. Give it the old how you doing, mama. I kind of covered it with some stuff, so it's gonna cook really good in there, and we might give it a basting job here and there. 9:30. We'll let it cook for a couple hours, couple of 3 hours, and she'll be good to go. Guys, I did take all the vegetables out when I did stir them and threw them back in. They weren't ready yet, so 9:30. Throw it in there. Let's see what we got now. Now, if the carrots are done, I'm gonna pull the vegetables out. Let's see what we got here. Whoa, this sucker is. I think it's done, Mom. I think it's done. Let's see if the carrots are done. Yeah, the carrots are done. See it? Potatoes. Potatoes are done. Oh yeah. Alright, so we can scoop all these vegetables out. I think the whole thing's done. Oh yeah, the meat's done. These vegetables are all done, so we'll pull them all out. I'm thinking everything's done. The pork and the meat, the beef. Just want to check the beef, make sure that's done, but most likely it is. chorizo done because it's already pre-cooked, so. Carrots and potatoes, I was like, you know, want to make sure that they were done good and whatnot, but oh yeah, this is done. Just have to cut this meat up. It's done. It's done. It's done, mama. She's a done deal. You want some, Molly? You love Daddy's cooking. You love Daddy's cooking. You want some kisses? You want some kisses? You want a meal? Yeah, you love Daddy's cooking. You love Daddy's cooking. Alright, so I got the meat on pulled apart here. All the veggies. And I got the juice. Chorizo is a little hot, but I like it. A little spicy. Pork loin. And the beef. Yum. How Real Working Men Cook series. How real working men cook. You want more? You want more? You love Daddy's cooking. You love Daddy's cooking. This is the next day. Smell the goodness. Yum! There's a hearty meal right there. Working man's meal. A little bread. Got a beer. You want some? You want some food? Yeah, you love my cooking. You love Daddy's cooking.